everyone. Welcome to Ask Dr. Doug. Today's topic we're going to cover is, are chiropractic adjustments safe? Before we go into that, a little bit about me. I am a structural corrective care chiropractor located in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. We focus on restructuring, reshaping the spine to get it back to normal. Kind of like what an orthodontist does with the teeth, that's what we do with the spine. So, are chiropractic adjustments safe? To answer the question, we really don't know yet, right? That's why we do specific testing to see, are they safe for you? So we would do structural corrective radiographs or x-rays, kind of like what we see here, or a thermal spinal assessment, digital postural analysis. All of this testing is to determine a few factors. One, are chiropractic adjustments safe for you? And number two would be, what type of chiropractic adjustment is best for your case? Sometimes people don't do well with what's called a diversified adjustment, where it's more of that manual adjustment. We might need to use activator or something that's a little bit lower force. I hope that answers you guys' questions. If you guys have any other questions, please comment below. You can like and share this. Thank you very much. Have a great day.